Check out this 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche LT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: differential, heavy-duty locking rear, 4-wheel drive, alternator, 145 amps, suspension, front coil-over shock with stabilizer bar, suspension, rear multi-link with coil springs, steering, power, brakes, 4-wheel anti-lock, 4-wheel disc, key, single, 2-sided, fascia, front color keyed and fascia, rear color keyed. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.